In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an invoice on QuickBooks. This straightforward process will help you save time, especially if you frequently issue similar invoices. Now, let's get started. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Sales section. You can usually find this option nestled within the side panel on the left of your screen. Think of it as your one-stop hub for all things related to sales in QuickBooks. Clicking on Sales will unfold more options, and from there, you'll want to direct your attention to the Invoices tab. This is where the magic happens, displaying a comprehensive list of your existing invoices right in front of you. Now, here comes the crucial part of duplicating an invoice. As you browse through your listed invoices, keep an eye out for the specific invoice you wish to duplicate. Once you've pinpointed it, look over to the right side of this listed invoice. You'll notice a small drop-down arrow, a handy tool which unveils a selection of additional options for managing your invoice. By clicking on this drop-down arrow, you'll gain access to various actions you can perform, including the option to duplicate. Simply select Duplicate, and voila! A new identical invoice will be created for you, ready for customization. Your duplicated invoice will open in a new window, presenting a perfect opportunity for any modifications you might want to make. This step is important, as it allows you to ensure accuracy and tailor the invoice to meet your current needs. You might need to update details like the date or the line items, or perhaps adjust quantities or prices to align with the specific requirements of your transaction. Every detail counts here, so take your time to review and ensure all information is precise. QuickBooks is designed to make these adjustments seamless before you proceed to finalize the invoice. So really, be thorough in this stage of the process. Finally, when you feel satisfied with all the modifications you've made, it's time to save your new invoice. You'll find the Save button often located toward the bottom of the screen. Clicking Save ensures your revised invoice is securely stored in your QuickBooks account, perfectly integrated with your tracking and management systems alongside your other records. And there you have it, a duplicated invoice in QuickBooks Online. By following these simple steps, you've quickly and efficiently created a new invoice based on an existing template. This method not only keeps your invoicing process streamlined, but also maintains efficiency and consistency throughout your business operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy invoicing!